We got a 2-box recap, '08 Upper Deck Premier Baseball. Hanley Ramirez base number /5. A Jonathan Melone rookie autograph numbered /50. Nolan Ryan jersey numbered 4/4. Ben Sheets dual logo jersey numbered 8/10. Grady Sizemore Premier Stitchings numbered 12/15. A Howie Kendrick Dan Uggla dual auto numbered 35, and a Chin Lung Hu autograph numbered /45. Got a Carlos Zambrano base numbered /99. Ross Detweiler rookie autograph numbered 2/99. A Joe DiMaggio Premier Stitchings numbered /75. Grady Sizemore jersey numbered /25. Premier Patches Veritech numbered 65/65. Matt Cain autograph numbered /45, and a Premier Stitchings dual of Jackie Robinson Roy Campanella numbered 1/5.